Hadith Sahih Bukhari 6594, narrated Abdullah, Allah's Apostle, the truthful and truly inspired, said, each one of you collected in the womb of his mother for 40 days, and then turns into a clot for an equal period of 40 days, and turns into a piece of flesh for a similar period of 40 days, and then Allah sends an angel and orders him to write 4 things, that is, his provision, his age, and whether he will be of wretched or the blessed in the hereafter. Then the soul is breathed into him, and by Allah, a person among you or a man may do deeds of the people of the fire till there is only a cubit or an arm breadth distance between him and the fire. But then that writing which Allah has ordered the angel to write proceeds, and he does the deeds of the people of paradise and enters it. And a man may do the deeds of the people of paradise till there is only a cubit or 2 between him and the paradise. And then that writing proceeds, and he does the deeds of the people of the fire and enters it.